Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today in this video we are going to learn how to turn on game mode in Windows 11 computer. Game mode is very important and it actually enhances the performance and give you a better experience. So for that, you just have to do a right click at the start icon and you just need to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you will find a window like this, and at the left hand side you need to look for gaming, and at the right hand side you will find three options: Xbox Game Bar, Captures, and Game Mode. So once we click on Game Mode, it gives an option: optimize your PC for play by turning things off the background. So from here we can turn it off or turn it on. So if it's turned off, you can simply turn on. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.